Security forces seized a large cache of arms, ammunition, and explosives from several locations in the valley districts of Manipur. The seizure was made during operations carried out at various locations across 5 valley districts by Manipur Police in coordination with Central Armed Police Forces, the Army, and Assam Rifles during the intervening night of June 13th and 14th. Officials confirmed that the seized items total 328 firearms, including 151 SLR rifles, 65 INSAS rifles, 73 other rifles, 5 carbine guns, 2 MP5 guns, 12 LMGs, 6 AK series rifles, 2 Amogh rifles, 1 AR-15 rifle, 1 mortar, 6 pistols, 2 barrels, and 2 flare guns. In addition, the forces also recovered 591 assorted magazines, 3,534 SLR rounds, 2,186 INSAS rounds, 52.303 rounds, 234 AK rounds, 407 Amogh rounds, 20.9 mm rounds, 10 grenades, 3 lathodes, 7 detonators, and 3 para devices. Manipur Police stated that these intelligence-based operations mark a major achievement for the police and the security forces in their continued efforts to restore normalcy, maintain public order, and ensure the safety and security of citizens and their property.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.